Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of standard stanbic bank. We click on settings. Here you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about standard and stanbic bank. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you can go to storage, then you can click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.